Quick overview of the BX 2380 with the Curtis cab. Fog lights, strobe light. We'll get to this. This is what I have inside. 6-gang switch box from Nightlight. 6-inch LED light bars. Those are my fog lights. And a 6-way relay fuse block or fuse box. Front and back windows open up for ventilation. There's my loader back there. This cab does have locking doors. 20-amp fuse protection. Turn it on. This cab was very easy to assemble. Well worth the money. Very spacious inside. Everything is wired up nice and clean. Strobe light coming in from the back where the windshield wipers should be, but I didn't order it. Back window is extra for this cab. So here's my 6-gang switch box. I have the momentary switch right here for the strobe light to change the patterns. Spotlight, rear light, strobe light, dome light. I plan on putting my wipers on this one here. So I took the switch box out of its container and mounted it in this aluminum box that I made. This has a positive and negative for power, and 6 white leads. I pre-wired all of them already, the ones that I are not using. So here's your 6 relay, which is powered by the accessory. So if you want to hook it up to your key switch, you can. I didn't. I just powered it off this here. Kill the power. So so all your leads will go into the relay side on the output side, and then like your lights, here's my fog lights. This is the positive and this is all the negatives for them. They are fuse protected. So if I turn it on, you can see a light goes on. There's my fog lights. There's my strobe light. If the fuse goes bad, it will light up red. Back in. Blue, so that's nice. Very nice. Once I wire everything in, I'll tighten up these tie straps and tuck everything, make it look nice and clean, but as for now, it's not finished, the wiring. Yeah, just a quick overview. Instructions for this cab were really simple. Hooking up the heater, the wiper, very simple. I would recommend this cab as an aftermarket cab for sure. There you go.